In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable full screen mode on TradingView. Whether you're analyzing charts or tracking stocks, having a clearer and more focused view can greatly enhance your experience. So let's dive right in. When working with TradingView, you might find the need to expand your chart to full screen, allowing you to effortlessly zero in on the details without any distractions from the surrounding menus or controls. There are two straightforward methods to accomplish this, and I'm going to walk you through each one. Firstly, let's explore the method using the icon. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your TradingView chart. Here, you should spot an icon that looks like two diagonal arrows pointing away from each other. This icon is your gateway to a full screen view. Simply click on it, and voila. The chart will now dominate your screen, providing you with a more immersive experience. The surrounding menus will gracefully disappear, granting you an unobstructed view of your chart, making it easier to scrutinize patterns, indicators, or any other details you need focus on. Now, if you're someone who prefers using keyboard shortcuts for speed and efficiency, TradingView has you covered. This brings us to our second method. To enable full screen mode using your keyboard, you need to simultaneously press the Shift key and the F key. It's as simple as that. With a single press of these two keys, your chart will instantly occupy the entirety of your screen, so you can analyze your data free from any peripheral distractions. This method is particularly handy for power users who favor quick, reflexive interactions with their trading tools. Eventually, there will come a time when you'll need to exit full screen mode, perhaps to switch charts, access other features, or simply return to your regular setup. Luckily, exiting full screen is just as effortless as entering it. To do this, you only need to press the ESC key on your keyboard. Once you do, the chart will revert to its standard view and the familiar menus and controls will reappear on your screen, ready for your use. In summary, whether you opt for the icon in the top right corner or prefer the keyboard shortcut of Shift and F, entering full screen mode on TradingView is quick and easy. This feature can greatly enhance your ability to engage with the data that matters most to your trading strategy. And when it's time to return to the normal view, a simple tap of the S key brings everything back, ensuring you have complete control over your workspace. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found these steps clear and useful. Enjoy trading with less clutter and more focus, and make the most out of your TradingView experience.